Hey, this is Diablo Killer 124, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a drawing application on Flash. I have a pre-made one right here, so let's test it. I can draw on it and stuff, and I can change the color. I have 3 colors right now, but you can make as many as you want. So let's start by creating a new Flash Actionscript 2.0 file, and make another layer, and just name the layer anything. I'm just going to name mine Actions. I'm going to lock and hide this layer, because we're not going to draw on it. And then after you have that, select frame 1 and then click on your actions, and then you'll be in the frame actions. So we're going to make a variable and we're going to call it drawing. So we'll type var drawing equals false. And we're going to make another one called color. So var color equals 0 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 6 zeros. And then we'll type this dot on mouse down equals function, and then inside of that we'll do drawing equal true, and then below that we'll put if drawing equal true, and then more brackets, and then we'll put this dot create empty movie clip, and we'll name it line, and then put a comma. This dot get next highest depth. Oops. Okay. And it has to be typed out just like this with the same caps and everywhere, or else it won't work. And then parentheses. And then on a new line, line dot move to parenthesis underscore root dot underscore x mouse comma underscore root dot underscore y mouse, and then ending parentheses, and then it should all look like this afterwards. So pause it if you want to look over, and after this, after all the ending brackets and stuff, we'll type this dot on mouse move equals function, and then inside of it we'll put if drawing equal true, and then more brackets. We'll put line dot line 2, and then parenthesis underscore root dot underscore x mouse comma underscore root dot underscore y mouse, and then ending parenthesis, and then before your last bracket you should have 2 ending brackets right here. Before your last one, put update after event, same syntax, and then I'll show you what it's like with and without that. Okay, so next, after all those brackets, we'll type this dot on mouse up equals function, and then drawing equals false, and after that ending bracket we'll put this dot on enter frame equals function, more brackets, and inside line dot line style 4, which is your thickness. You can make that anything you want, but I'll keep mine at 4, comma, and then type in color. And that's it. Now let's give this a test, and it should all work. Nope. Let's see. Syntax error. Oh, spelled function wrong. There we go. Now let's give it a test. Oops. That's not good. Looks cool though. But okay. So let's check what we did wrong, or what I did wrong. right here. Okay. And now you can draw. And you might not be able to see this on my computer, but if you do it and then you just make 2 slashes on the update after event, that comments it out, and then you can see what it looks like. It's really jaggedy and stuff, but when we have that, it's not. Okay, so now that's just black. So we'll go back to our layer 1, and I'll just name this colors, I guess. And select a tool you want to use. I'll just use the rectangular tool. And just make some boxes. Mine aren't going to be even right now. I'll do 4. Okay, so select your first box and change the color to what you want it to be. I'll just make mine black. And then select your second box. And black is 0 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, so it's all zeros. And then I'll make my next one red. And that's 0 times FF 0, 0, 0, 0. So we'll come in here and we'll create a new one. Well, we'll do that next. And then a new color, we'll do green. And that's just... Okay, let me explain the colors a little more. Oops. Okay. This you have to use in Flash. I'm not sure why. But this is red, green, and blue. These two are red, these two are green, and these two are blue. So if this is set to FF and the rest are zeros, they'll just make it red. And if these two are set to just FF, the other ones will be, and the other ones are 0, it'll be set to green. And same with this. Or if this is FF, it'll be blue. And then if you move it around, like you put them all 3s except for the 0 times, or the 0x, it'll make it gray. So you just have to explore around. But it also tells you right here, like when you're choosing a color, it'll tell you, just don't include the pound sign and keep the 0 times or 0x. Oops. Or you can come to your color panel, and after you choose a color, it'll give you it right here, so you don't have to keep trying to get it. So, and then I'll do a dark blue. Okay, so we'll convert these to symbols. I'll just name it symbol 1, symbol 2. Make sure they are buttons instead of movie clips. See? And then you just said F8 to change it. And then go to each one and give them an instance name. I'll just name mine BB for black button, and then RB for red button, GB for green, and BB for, oops, and then DBB for dark blue button. And now we'll go back to our actions, and we'll type in bb.onRelease equals function. And then in this we'll type color equals 0 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So whenever you click on the BB button, which is the black button, it'll change the color to this. So that's already black, so we'll just copy and paste this 4 times or however many. And then red button. I already know that this will be FF. And then we made a green one, so FF on the green. G. And then this one's DBB. And we still have the color here in our color panel. So I'll just copy that, and then I'll erase this part and paste it. And now let's give this a test. Oh, hold on. We've received an error. Oh, okay. We just forgot to add the parentheses right here before or after function. So just go to all of them, add the parentheses, and then it'll work. Now press Control Enter or Command Enter on Mac, and you can draw. Select red, you can draw. Select green, you can draw. Select blue, you can draw. In a later tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do boundaries and stuff, so you won't be able to draw anywhere. You'll just be able to draw in certain places, so you can't draw over this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, and comment. Thanks.